Also this evening, a looming threat from the federal government, the Justice Department, to sue Oklahoma if it doesn't throw out a recently signed law.
The law set to go into effect this summer would fine and incarcerate any non-U.S. citizen living in the state illegally. News 4's Capitol Bureau Chief Kaylee Olivas has the latest on the Department of Justice's efforts to keep Oklahoma from enforcing this law. Kaylee?
Yeah, Kevin, Jolene, what we're hearing from the U.S. Department of Justice is the same argument Democrats here in Oklahoma have, that this new law is, quote, unconstitutional and is not the job of the state. But Attorney General Gentner Drummond plans to fight this in court and anticipates a victory.
It's unfortunate to see that they're playing these political games to lift up certain political points while diminishing and vilifying a community that's just doing as much as they can to contribute.
This is about law and order. This is not politics. Politics is for the House and the Senate.
A new law going into effect July. It not only fines and incarcerates non-U.S. citizens who willfully and without permission enter Oklahoma, but gives them 72 hours to leave the state once released from custody. Per the writers of this legislation and the Attorney General who requested it, the intent behind this new law is to weed out, quote, bad actors. But the Department of Justice doesn't see it that way, sending this letter Wednesday. It states immigration is a federal issue, and Oklahoma's new law not only violates the U.S. Constitution and the Immigration and Nationality Act, but also impedes federal functionality, adding Oklahoma is simply piggybacking off of a Texas law currently stalled in federal court.
We did not adopt the Texas law. We do not have the right to deport people from the United States. We do have the right to arrest people that are engaged in illegal activity.
The DOJ giving Oklahoma until May 20th to say it will not enforce this law. Otherwise, it will move forward with a potential multi-million-dollar lawsuit.
This is Christmas in May for some of my colleagues. This is exactly where we saw this going.
These are the consequences when we don't do all of our homework before we pass a bill.
But Drummond doesn't plan on backing down.
We will act constitutionally, and we will win.
While the Speaker of the House supports the Attorney General's efforts in fighting the federal government, so does Governor Kevin Stitt. His office tells us in part, quote, had the Biden administration set aside politics and done their job, this bill wouldn't have been necessary. It's important to point out, a few months ago, there was a bipartisan effort led by Oklahoma Senator James Lankford to get legislation passed that would strengthen security at the southern border. Senate Republicans killed that measure.